Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through the new appointment booking system launched by BLS to get India visa applications in Canada, including OCI and even passport services. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this BLS Canada website. So on the home page itself, you have a link to this appointments. You can click on this, you come to this page. So now you have to register first, okay? So if you have not already registered, you're going to click on sign up. Provide your details, email address, first name, nationality, passport, other details, and click on register. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you guys. So after you register, it sends a link to your email. An email with the link. So first you have to click on that link, and also in the same email, it gives you the username, which is your email account that you use, and a password. So that you can use. Of course, you can log in and do other things. So once you log in using that, it asks you to put your mobile number and also your last name. And then when you click on next by verifying a captcha, it sends another email where you have the option to schedule booking. So after hitting the second link, you come here. Now you're going to select which location you want. So let's say you want to go to Mississauga, which service you want, application type. So now the good thing is they have like group applications option too. Okay. Click here for application. Wow, that's good. For Jan, they have not opened it. Okay, just look at other locations. I go for OCI, individual if you take. Wow, that's good. So you can select there and then you can go ahead and book the appointment. Like it will give you the preview and from there you can book it. So that's how it works, guys. Of course, I'm not going to go over there, but you got an idea how to do. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.